How to delete Telegram group. Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how to delete your Telegram group. So to get started, first of all, open up your Telegram application and then go ahead and open up any group and then go ahead and click on that three dots. Upon clicking that, you can see the option leave channel. Simply tap on it. Once you do that, if you want to delete your Telegram group, click on leave channel option. Once you do that, you will no longer be the member of that group and all the messages will be deleted from the group. So this is how easily you can delete Telegram group. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.